In the heart of Cappadocia, between fairy chimneys and ancient valleys, stands a timeless town carved into stone. This is Ortahisar, one of the hidden gems of Cappadocia. With its towering castle, peaceful streets, and deep-rooted history, Ortahisar offers a quiet and authentic journey into the past. Ortahisar is located between Göreme, Ürgüp, and Avanos. Thanks to this central position, it has played a key role in the history and trade routes of Cappadocia for centuries. Ortahisar Castle is the most iconic landmark of the town. Rising like a giant rock tower, this natural fortress was carved into a defensive stronghold thousands of years ago. From the top, visitors can enjoy one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of Cappadocia. Inside the castle and surrounding rocks, hundreds of carved rooms were once used as homes, food storage areas, and shelters. Even today, some of these caves still preserve their original function of storing potatoes, apples, and citrus fruits thanks to the natural cool air. Halak Monastery is a hidden rock-cut monastery near Ortahisar that once served as a spiritual retreat for monks. Ortahisar played an important role during the early Christian period. Monks and believers carved small churches, chapels, and monastic rooms into the rock to practice their faith in secret and safety. Red Valley, known as Kızılçukur in Turkish, is one of the most famous valleys in Cappadocia. Located between Göreme and Ortahisar, it is especially famous for its dramatic red-colored rock formations and unforgettable sunset views. Walking through Ortahisar feels like walking through a living museum. Narrow stone streets, traditional Cappadocian houses, and quiet courtyards reflect centuries of daily life carved into rock. One of the most important nearby attractions is Panoramic Valley. This quiet valley is home to several rock-cut churches dating back to the Byzantine period. Its faded frescoes still reflect the sacred art of ancient Cappadocia. The old town of Ortahisar is a living example of traditional Cappadocian life, with stone houses, narrow streets, and courtyards carved directly into the rock. Ortahisar Castle is also one of the best sunset viewing points in Cappadocia. As the sun goes down, fairy chimneys, valleys, and nearby volcanoes are painted in shades of red and gold. In recent years, Ortahisar has become popular among travelers seeking a quieter alternative to Göreme and Ürgüp. Boutique hotels carved into rock, local restaurants, and walking routes now welcome visitors from around the world. Ortahisar is more than just a village. It is a timeless place where nature, history, and human life blend into one unforgettable experience. For those who seek silence, beauty, and authenticity, Ortahisar remains one of Cappadocia's most meaningful destinations.